Hi everyone, Ryan here, Ion Capital Solutions. Hope you're doing well. Today, I'd like to formally invite you to our live free training session in our Facebook group, Wednesday, June 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be walking you through several different options for business loan brokers, how to get started, what kind of things you want to focus on. There's going to be free training there. We're also going to be giving a bit of a tour of our program. So for those of you following along, looking to learn more about this space or looking to learn more about us here at Ion, please do your best to attend. You'll be able to meet our team, or at least some of our team, and learn a bit about what we're doing here at Ion, right? And surround yourself with people active in the marketplace. Give you a chance to ask us questions. Because the reality is, what we'd like to do is give you a tour, show you around a little bit, help you better understand what we're doing here at Ion and what that can do for you as a business loan broker, okay? Because the reality is, there are people just like yourself who are actively looking into this space. And in our Facebook group, it's a community of people just like yourself, right? So you might as well join that community. It's a free community. It is a private group, but it's a free community where you can listen and learn more about not only Ion, but business loan brokering, just like you already are on YouTube if you are following and subscribed. And if you're not, by the way, please do. But with that being said, please understand that people who are active in this space and looking to figure out the puzzle of business loan brokering, usually everybody's got a piece of the puzzle, but few have the complete puzzle, right? Or all the pieces required to complete the puzzle. So simply by surrounding yourself with people who are in a similar position to yourself, you can expedite that process. And by leveraging Ion, you can complete that puzzle by following the mentorship of those that are active and successful in the space who have already gone through this journey successfully. Okay? Because the reality is, anybody in this space is looking to map out their blueprint of success, right? But there's a cost associated with doing that usually, whether it's building your own business, learning, whatever it is. Well, you'll be happy to know that here in this session, you're going to have free access to information. You're not going to have to pay anything. So definitely attend. You're invited, okay, if you haven't figured it out by now. We want to invite you. Come on down. Again, it's free. It's in our Facebook group. We will be live. Again, it's on Wednesday, June 1st at 1 p.m. Eastern Time in our Facebook group. Additionally, I'd like to ask that anybody who's following along on this channel, please do subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date on the most recent information that we're sharing about business loan brokering and, of course, what we're doing here at Ion Capital Solutions. It greatly helps the channel, and it can greatly help you in your journey to becoming a successful loan broker. Thanks so much. I'll catch you in the next video.